Hey Brandon, so today we're going to do a little division practice with some regrouping, right? I want us to back up for a second and think about what our vocabulary terms are, right? So we have 358, 358 divided by 4. Which of these is our larger number, the one we're going to be regrouping? 358? That's right. What would we call that number though? I mean, if we're talking about our numbers and which one is being divided, which one is doing the dividing, what would we call 358? The dividend. That's right, the dividend. Which number is it being divided by? 358 divided by 4. That's right. Do you remember what that's called? The number that does the dividing? The divisor. Good job. Divisor. It kind of sounds like a superpower. My divisor. Right? All right. Which of these numbers, if we know 4 is our divisor and 358 is the dividend, the big number, which sounds like the group? Are we going to make 358 groups? Gosh, my hand might get tired. I can do it, but it's a lot. Or do you think we're going to make 4 groups? Definitely 4 groups. So I'll go ahead and draw my 4 groups just so I can stay organized and I have my visual. All right. Now I want you to get out your manipulatives, right? So we have your hundreds squares, tens rods, and your ones. All right. Can you show me this number, 358? Okay. How many hundred squares are you going to use? Which place value is the hundreds? The 8, the 5, or the 3? The 3. Good job. So how many hundred squares are you going to use? 3. Good job. So we have 300 squares. 1, 2, 3. And which place is in the tens? The 8 or the 5? The 5. So how many rods are you going to use? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that only leaves one number left. What's in our ones place? That's right, the 8. Can you count out 8 for me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alrighty, look at that. Now I need to somehow get these into 4 groups. Oh my gosh, you're right. You automatically notice we only have 3 of these squares. I can't put them into 4. There's going to be one that doesn't get 100. What do you think I could do with these to make it easier to share them, to equally distribute them? You could, definitely. We can actually partition, we can break these down into tens rods. Do you remember how many tens, pulling on your facts, how many tens go into a cube, go into a square? Why don't you lay them out? 1, we're going to use, remember, we're saving these, so I'm going to set my tens rods aside. How many tens go into a square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So I'm going to trade them. Remember, I'm not adding to them. I'm trading them out. So I'm going to trade 100 square for 10 more rods. And do this 2 more times, okay? All right. So if I need 10 here and 10 here, how many more rods do I need? Can you count by tens? 10, 20. Good job. All right. Miss Varghese might have to get up. Here's 1, 2, 3. Let me get some more for you. All right. You're so patient. 1, 2, 3. I needed how many again? 20. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So remember, I'm trading it out. I'm not keeping it all. I'm going to place another Hun square away. Need 10 more. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 2 more. 10. Good job. Remember, trading, not keeping it all. Alrighty. This looks way easier now. Alrighty. Now, we need to start distributing our groups. Do you want to start with the 10s or the 1s? Which do you know would equally distribute? We have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. That's going to be an odd number. But you're right, we only have 8, so we'll go ahead and distribute. 2 1s, 2 1s, 2, and 2. Right? You seem to like the number 2. We can go ahead and keep distributing by that. We'll put 2 10s, 2 10s. I know that's your favorite number, 2. 2. Oh, do we have enough we can do it again? You're right. Do 2 more. 2s. 2s. Do we still have some left over? I know you like the number 2. We can keep going by 2s. 2, 2, 2, 2. Think we can do it one more time? I think so. 2, 2, 2, 2. Uh-oh. We're back to that problem with the number 3. I only have 3 10 rods, but I have 4 groups. Is there a way I could divide these out? I could count out 31s. You want to count out 31s? Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10. So remember, we're trading, we're not adding. Again, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm going to trade. Ooh, you know what? We don't have any more singles, but we could use our little counters. All right, so I'm going to use my counters as placeholders. 1, 2, 4, 6. These will get sticky. 8, 10. All right, I'm going to trade that out. Think it's a little bit easier I can distribute these now? Absolutely. You like bigger numbers, all right? You want to multiply 4? We can try that. We have 4 in this group. 4, 4, 4. All right. Now, I want you to see, here's a group of 4. Just kind of eyeballing. Do you think we have enough to do groups of 4 again? Maybe not. I don't want to get confused. You like that number 2, though. Let's go back to that. 2, 2, 2, 2. Do you think we have enough? You want to see? 2. Oh, no. We can't do 2s. We're going to actually have to count by singles now. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 2 left over. What was that vocabulary word? What is that called when there's leftovers and I can't share them equally? It's the remainder. Good job. All right, so I know I have a 2 as a remainder, but how much was in each group? Can you count one group for me? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and these are ones, so 81, 82, 83, 84, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer was what? 89 with a remainder of 2. Good job.